Hello and welcome to the video, Where Does the Lock Come From? Have you ever noticed that a lock suddenly appears on an open page and you can no longer edit it? In this video, I explain the cause and how to fix it. Let's take a look at this particular page. It is in a project that is currently closed. This means that we are unable to edit it. To indicate this, you can see the lock on the open page, and the Page tab also indicates that it is read only. Nevertheless, you can copy content from this page and paste it into an open project. A second cause can also be active revision management. If revision management is active, in strict mode, each page must be released before editing. Only then the page is unlocked and you can enter changes. A third possible reason for a locked view would be a license that has not been unlocked. Depending on the configuration level of your license, it may be possible that pages can be edited in an open project, and in some technologies are only displayed in read-only mode. You can see your function level in the menu Help, Info, and see which technologies you have available. If you would still like to edit these pages, our sales team will be happy to help you.